Hey guys, it's Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm playing Minecraft, and if you don't know, my channel is Gaming with El Poochie. So let's start. Alright, so first thing that I want to do is this is my house. Go like this, and then collect those. Hmm. Oh, right. Okay. I'm thinking I kind of want to do this. I don't know if it's going to be me. Ha, 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 ha. Oh, it's in the water. Oh, then my everything's getting. Alright, come on, come on, come on, come on. I got you. Oh. There's a spider in there. Yep, get him. Alright, yes. I got that girl. Alright. Oh. Uh-oh. Somebody's in there. Uh-oh. Alright, okay. That's okay that somebody's in there. Uh-oh, is that somebody way back there? Okay, I don't think so. Okay, that was crazy. I'm just gonna start. Uh-oh. What's happening? Uh-oh. Oh no! Okay. Alright. Okay. I think I know where I started. Yep, I started right over there in my house. Uh-oh. Gotta hide from those. So let's go in the forest. Right, whatever this says. And jump. Okay. Alright. Looks like we're doing good. Okay, alright, okay. Wait. Is that like something trying to get out of there? Okay. Uh-oh. I think it's coming for me. I'm gonna get into my house. Well, house is actually way over there. There's that guy right there. Ah! Uh-oh. Sink down. No. The soap guy. Uh-oh. Go up. Swim. Go. Jump. Alright. Everything keeps killing. Everything keeps killing me. Or everybody keeps killing me. But I gotta make stuff. I gotta get all these blocks, you know? All these. All these blocks. You like new blocks? Wait, can I wait, I don't know if I want. Huh. Oh, alright. Alright. This here and this in the same spot and then this because these are stuff that we don't really need. Okay. Right? Okay, alright, let's see if I can kill this. Wait, no, I think it escaped. Wait, it escaped? Oh, no, it's still in there. Still in there. Ready? Whoa, whoa, hello. I think it's coming for me. Okay. See, can I get out? I can't get out. It's okay, it's okay. I can't get out. Shush, shush, get out, get in. So just get into the water. It's a nice and good thing. Okay? It's a nice and good thing. Just get into the water, okay? I'll jump up on you. Wait, did I just kill that guy? Wait. Is there like something underneath here? What is happening? Wait. I have no idea what that means. What? What just happened? You guys know what that means? Like that stuff? I don't know. But, alright. Let's try to kill this chicken here. Ooh, I think I gotta get closer, a bit closer. Yeah, yep. Now you're gonna want to stay. Right? Right, chicka. Right, chicka. Right, chicka. Right, chicka. Right, chicka. It's probably gonna wanna, like, come back for me or something. Piggies can't come back for ya. Alright, let's close down here. So put blocks down if you're on a computer. You just do right click in the spot where you want to put a block. What is that tall thing? I really want to check that thing out right there. I don't think that I will any sooner. So, yeah. This sand block is really cool. Wow, let's see. Okay, 5 of these sand blocks, and I want. Wait. Are these 5? Okay, come on, just put them. Okay, 2, 3. Okay, 3. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, there. I kind of want all of these kind of blocks spread it out from each other. So let's go to all the stuff that we have to build for our house. We have to build all of these right now. So, yeah, alright. Try to cut down these. You just have to do one click to cut down these. It's crazy. Just go like this, like this, boom, and then boom. See, so easy. You just go boom, and boom, and boom. Oh, seeds. Yay. And okay. We're gonna end it here. Bye.